Alright, stop scrolling. Seriously. If you have to watch one more online guru promising you a six-figure income from a beach in Bali without any real advice, you're going to lose it. I get it. The internet is an absolute minefield of get-rich-quick schemes and a ton of empty promises, all designed to sell you a fantasy while they pick your pocket. But what if I told you there are practical, proven ways to make actual money, like today? I'm not talking about manifesting it money, I'm talking about real spendable cash. That's what this is. We're cutting through all the noise. No fluff, no Lambo daydreams. Just 10 creative, actionable methods you can start right now to build a genuine income stream. First up, the most direct method. Offer your skills online as a freelancer. Everybody is good at something. Maybe you're a writer, a graphic designer, a video editor, or maybe you're just incredibly organized. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are basically global marketplaces hungry for your talent. The demand for skills like video editing, web development, and digital marketing is consistently high. Your first step: pick one thing you're good at, whip up a simple profile on one of these sites tonight, and post your first gig. Don't get stuck overthinking it, just get it done. Method number 2 is for those of you with a creative eye. Sell your photos and videos online. No, really, scroll through your phone right now. Chances are you have hundreds of decent quality pictures of nature, cityscapes, or even your lunch. Platforms such as Adobe Stock and Shutterstock let you upload these images and earn a little passive income every time someone downloads one. It's not a path to instant riches, but as your portfolio gets bigger, so does your potential for consistent passive sales. Third on the list, start a super specific newsletter. The secret here isn't to appeal to everyone, but to find your small loyal crew. Are you obsessed with vintage sci-fi novels, indoor gardening, or a particular video game? Platforms like Substack and Beehive make it incredibly easy and free to get started. You can worry about making money later with premium subscriptions or sponsorships. For now, just pick a topic you genuinely love and write 3 simple paragraphs for your first post. Number 4, think about becoming a micro-influencer. And I'm not talking about needing millions of followers. Brands are increasingly looking to partner with smaller creators who have really engaged communities of 1,000 to 10,000 followers. Pick a platform you actually enjoy, like TikTok or YouTube, and just start creating content about something you're passionate about. The keys here are authenticity and consistency. Let's take it offline for number 5, pet sitting and dog walking. If you're an animal lover, this is hands down one of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to make some cash. Apps like Rover connect you with pet owners right in your area who need someone reliable to care for their furry family members. You get to set your own rates and your own schedule. It's flexible, has basically 0 startup costs, and you get paid to hang out with pets. What's not to love? The demand for pet care services has been on the rise, making it a growing market. Number 6 is all about making money from what you already have. Go ahead and rent out your stuff. That spare room, you can list it on Airbnb, that parking spot you never use, the power tools collecting dust in your garage, or your extra bike can all be rented out locally on platforms like Fat Llama or Spacer. You're essentially turning idle assets into a stream of passive or semi-passive income. For method number 7, if you need to make money fast, become a local tasker. Apps like TaskRabbit are swarming with people in your own neighborhood who will happily pay you to handle their to-do lists. This could be anything from assembling furniture and mounting a TV to running a few errands or helping someone move. You can set your own hourly rate and get paid as soon as the job is finished. Method 8 is something you can literally do from your couch: online surveys. Now let's be real, this isn't going to replace your full-time job, but sites like Swagbucks and Ipsos iSay are legitimate ways to earn an extra $50 to $150 a month just for sharing your opinions. It takes no special skills, just an internet connection and a bit of spare time while you're binging your favorite show. Number 9 is for all the crafters and creators out there. Sell your handmade or custom goods. If you can make it, jewelry, art, candles, you can sell it on Etsy or at local markets. And if you're not the crafty type, but have some killer design ideas, look into print-on-demand services. You can create and sell t-shirts, mugs, and posters with your designs without ever having to touch the inventory yourself. It's a way to turn your creativity into cash with very little risk. And finally, number 10, teach what you know. Everyone is an expert in something. Whether it's a language, a musical instrument, a software program, or an academic subject, there are people out there who will pay to learn from you. Platforms like Preply and Teachable allow you to connect with students from all over the world, or even create your own online course for a more passive income stream. So there you have it. 10 practical, no BS ways to make some money, from freelancing on your laptop to getting paid to walk dogs. The most important thing is to actually do something. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. The best way to start is to pick a skill you already have and maybe even try combining an online method with an offline one to diversify your income. Which one of these are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. I genuinely want to hear what step you're planning to take. And hey, if this guide was actually helpful, do me a solid. Hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward advice on building a real financial future. No gurus, I promise.